Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do get a nice tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board. Got heated mirrors and turn light indicator mirrors, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we do have a block heater, 2 tow hooks, aftermarket LED lights, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, we got a vinyl floor. This is your 6 additional seat, 12-volt cup holders, 2 USBs, as well as you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we have mostly powered front seats, with this being the only manual part. That same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. You got your lights, spotlights on your mirrors, parking brake, and your toggle for your aftermarket lights. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 156,102 kilometers. We have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, play back, play forward, mode, mute, voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen. Looking at your screen, you have display, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and other settings. Over here you have your cup holders, more storage underneath, phone slot, and your 6 additional seat with more storage underneath. You have storage here, 2 USBs, 12-volt trailer backup. We have our rear locking differential and 4-wheel drive, climate controls, 12-volt and 110. Got storage below as well as storage above. We got our hail, traction, hazards, and auto stop, auto start. Looking at our screen here, we're just going to home real quick. We have our audio, compass, and phone. We do get a Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. Phone, where you can see what phones have been previously connected, all that fun stuff. Apps, connect device, or whatever apps you've downloaded. Bluetooth for your settings, Ford Pass, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7794, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.